Hi there, traders. This is Chris Keene from A Keen Point of View, and this is the weekend outlook where we're going to take a look through the majors. We're going to start out with the Great Britain Pound USD because unfortunately just was closed out in a trade in this pair, and I am mad at the pound. What I tried to do is go short here. I had some technical indicators that I'd like to keep out as part of my cow trading program, which is up 700 pips so far this month. Swing trades alone. I thought we were going to get a hold here at this level, and maybe we could cycle back up from this point where we've, because this is, we all know is year-to-date lows here. Going back, this pair has bounced off this area once, twice, three. I think it's even a fifth time if we go further out. What we're going to see on this pair is we're going to look for a stop or hold here, and what I'm going to watch is this zone here. I'm not going to get chopped up in here anymore. It's twice I actually tried to get a bounce on this pair, and it's not that I'm getting it's just that it's just basically going, they're stop hunting, and it's not that the pair continued its move lower. Anyways, so what we're going to see here is I'm going to look for a break of this range either at 153.20 or the bottom here at 152. Of course, if we get to the bottom, there's not that much room, so I don't know how it would act on that one. But if we get a break to the top side, we could look for a push up higher. And where would I be looking for that push up higher? Into the fib zone. First target would be the 0.382 fib at 152.92, followed by the 157.35 fib, which is the 50 fib for a larger move back. That's how I'm taking it. Keeping a lookout on that pair. And then the Euro USD continues to move lower, broke to the bottom part of its range. Let's get to broke to the bottom part of its range here, broke through 133, which I didn't 100% expect, because we were just basically in a range between 133 and towards 135 until this point. But now the pair has moved down, and we're testing the 50 fib at 131.87 and the 132.08 level. So this is the strong resistance level. We could get some buyers coming here and look for a cycle move higher. That's what I'm going to look for into the new week. First resistance, of course, is 133, followed by 134. If we break below this, though, we'll look for a push to the bottom of the fib range around 130.63. Oz USD, I'm still long this pair. It's trading in a pretty predictable range here. Bottom is at 102.25, the top is at 135, 130.75. We're looking for right now I'm looking for a push back up towards the top of this range, and hopefully we peek our head up here a little bit so I can get 100 pips, and then I'll see the price action from either way. If we get a break of this 103.50-75 level, then we're right back here in the stop range, and we could go all the way back up to the top. That's what we would be hunting. But any breakdown towards the bottom, we have trend line and support around 101.45. The CAD, I don't trade this pair because normally it's a little bit too slow for my liking, but it hasn't been lately. Look at this. This guy's up towards the top of this area at 102.45. We could have some profit taking after this move from 99.40, but if we don't, we could cycle all the way up to 103.62. Resistance is now clean at 101.45. New Zealand, I like this trade, and I like it a lot because the trade has basically been riding this trend line higher, and I've been trying to play the bounces on the top of the trend line just up to what was the 85 level, which was resistance. Now it broke through that this week, but we have resistance between 85 and 85.60. We'll be watching that area, and I'll be looking for either a break of this area at the top, then that equals a cycle up to probably year-to-date highs around 88.40, well, potential of it. If we break this trend line, though, that's where things get interesting. We could see a pullback, and I already ran this fib off here. We're looking for a move down to 81.30, but more importantly, I like this fib exactly because it's a nice round number, around to 80. If we get a pullback on the 50 fib. Yen hits move back to its old boring yen self. We have top resistance support zone 92, 94.50. Pair appears to be in a triangle sitting right 93.40. I'm going to wait for that triangle break before I even look at that pair again. Euro JPY heading lower, has a lot of resistance here at 123. It's in a channel, a lot of support, excuse me, but we could easily break that channel and head all the way down to 121.50 before we run into channel support with, break that price to support, and we'll run into channel support and probably price support at the same level. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Have a good luck weekend. Have a good luck on your weekend. Yeah, good luck weekend. And everybody, keep your trades keen and play it smart. And I have a new thing on the blog where I go through education, where I teach you about my scalping and swing trading techniques. Scalping alone is up 750 so far this month. Well, 700 now with that loss I took this morning, and it's averaging about 500 pips a month for the last 15 months. And so we go in the details where I will show you the trades that I enter and exit on a daily basis, and go over the review. I have an education thing where I go over the actual trading of what I look for in the setups and so forth like that. I mean, basically, once I show you how to do this and you follow me doing it for a while, you'll have a pretty good education. You'll probably be able to tell me trades that I'm not even seeing. Hoping to create a community here. All right, everybody. Good luck trading, and have a good weekend once again.